So right now I dropped off some bubble skirts just the other day, and I can't wait to see what's here. I understand that if you do this process, which is the laser cleaning, that there's no warpage or change in the materials. With that being said, not being a metallurgist, with that being said, I've had stuff sandblasted, and the effect that it has been like destroyed the parts just through plain warpage. So you're gonna get my reaction on the first time ever of dealing with, wow. Good morning, my name is Vince McCloskey. I'm with Motor City Car Club and Autofest. I met Ed at our Autofest event last year. This is our 27th year if we were going to have it, and as you can see, it's the greatest show that never happened, unfortunately. So with that, through the pandemic, we will all get through this, and with any luck whatsoever, 2021 will be better as good as our 25th, which was also spectacular. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm surprised, very surprised. There's no residue. There's no cleanup. Oh man, every single corner. That's incredible.
So you're happy with that result?
Oh my God, yes. Yes.
Fantastic. Well, thank you, Vince, for the opportunity. Greatly appreciate it.
As I said, I hope to see you again at Autofest in 2021.
We will be there. Thank you, sir.
Fantastic.